Hello and welcome to the blog. This is Rory. I'm going to talk about a couple of things here just so that everybody's on the same page. Not everybody will need the information that I'm about to go over, but I think it would be helpful for some. I am going to be talking about how to leave comments and basic navigation of the web page. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the home page, which is concordia.wirededucator.org. You can see it here. I highlighted it. It should be big enough to see, but I'm also going to try to write the website out and send it to you guys via email. First, if you click up here at the top, it says Concordia Cohort 7 Unofficial Blog. If you click that, that will bring you back to the home page. We have other navigation features such as the calendar. This home button will do the same thing as the title button up here. So the calendar, which needs to be updated, I will fix that in a moment. How-to videos, this is where I will try to embed all of the videos on how to use this site and anything else that comes along. And resources technology course. Resources technology course is the information that David has been sharing with us and as a resource for us. This is not, however, the articles or assignments. So if you're posting a response to an article, be sure to respond to the article and not in the Resources Technology Courses section. Now if we look at this first article here, these have a category beneath them. It says Secondary Cohort and Technology Course. Every article should have a category, which helps you narrow down what you're looking at. So if you want to avoid looking at different educational events, you can go directly to the technology course and look at strictly technology course related articles. Once you've done that, what you'll see is a shortened version of the articles. Like here, this is the article, Should Schools Strive to be on the Leading Edge, that had the really entertaining cartoon. To see the cartoon again, you actually have to click the title bar to go to it. Down below you could go and make comments about it, but to actually go to the article and read it in its entirety, you would have to click up here. For example, if I click blogging in the classroom, I go to the entirety of the article, which is the same as what's on the shortened version on the front page, and I can see the comments. See, there's my comment about a way to search, although this isn't probably the best search engine for blogs. And then my two blogs that I chose and my description of them. Now, when you leave a reply to the main article, all you have to do is scroll down to this box down here. Now you may see a different version of the box if you're not logged in. If you're not logged in, what you will see is this right here. If this comes up, you have to put a name and an email address. Those are required, and then you put your comments and you submit the comment. However, it is easier and it keeps things cleaner if you log in first. So now we're going to take a second and we're going to look at logging in. When you're on the main page or any page at all, you have this bar on the left-hand side. This bar includes resources, which will be different pages that are also located up here on the overhead bar. These pages lead to different pieces of the website, such as the how-to videos, the calendar, and the resources for the technology course. You also have categories, which helps you organize the articles that you're looking at any one time. Down below this you have the Cohort 7. This is actually a web link section. This will take you to different web pages. So if you click Class Moodle, you will actually go to our Class Moodle web page. And if you click Secondary Class Tech Blog, you will go to the older blog that we changed during class. Eventually I may take this link out and replace it with links to some of our favorite blogs and technology links, but at the current time I want to leave that in just in case there's something that we're missing from the previous blog. Also, user access. Now this is the part that I wanted you to look at. User access, you can register, which I think everybody in our class has done. You can log in, which is what we're doing in a minute. And then you can do a couple of other things. And I'm not going to talk about these at this time, but if anybody is interested in having the comments and the entries in the blog sent to them automatically, please let me know and I will create a video about how to use entries RSS and comments RSS. And WordPress.org, that's just the website that creates the platform, or the website, the company, the organization that creates the program that I use to run this blog. So if you go on to log in you come to the back end of the website. Go ahead and put your username and your password and click login. Now if this is your home computer, please click remember me. However, if we're using this at the school, do not use remember me. We do not want the kids to be able to get into the back end of your part of the website. So you go ahead and you log in, and since this is my home computer, I'm going to check remember me. Wait for a moment and it comes to the back end of the website. Now the back end of the website will look different to all of us. Mine looks a little bit more complicated possibly because I have administrative access. I could have logged in with a different account to show you what it looks like to you guys, but I didn't want to take that much time to do this. This is not as important at this time. Basically, once you're logged in, go back to the website by clicking Concordia Cohort 7 Unofficial Blog, or you can click Visit Site. Either one will bring you back to the website. You can do a few other things from the back end, and if anybody's interested in learning about those, I will definitely post videos. You just have to let me know what you're interested in learning because there's so much to share. So I'm going to click back to the website. I'm going to expand it back out to the full video capture area. And now that I'm logged in, I can go back to an article and start posting comments. I'm going to go down here to one that I already played with a little bit. It's the Information Literacy Week and webinars. Every week I'll try to post some events that are going on in education, some free classes you can take online and things like that. I'm going to go ahead and go down to the comments down at the bottom here. This shows you the article up above, but if you're down here, when you click down here, you'll go directly to the comments and you can see all the little comments that I've left for myself. Okay, so the first thing that we see here is the first comment. The first comment is completely to the left, and it is the baseline comment, the original comment author. Next is a comment on that comment. Now this is called a thread. This is the first line in a thread from the first comment. So in this thread, I just made another comment. It was kind of getting a little geeky, and then I made a comment about this comment. Now I could have continued to make comments about each comment as I went, and they would have bumped over further and further right. However, I chose to ignore this person up here who said something totally silly, and I wanted to comment about this original comment right here, so I hit reply right below that comment, and it popped up directly below that list of bumped over comments. So that's a nice way of keeping track of the conversation, and then when somebody wants to post something totally new based on the article up there, they can leave a comment in this box. They can just leave a comment and they submit that comment, and that comment will show up posted all the way over to the left side until somebody hits reply and starts talking to them, and then they will have another threaded comment. So this is a really nice way of keeping track of conversations in a thread or in a comment section, and you know who's talking to who and what they're talking about. The add video comment feature is currently not working. I am working on making this happen, but that will allow anybody with a webcam to leave a short video about what they think of a comment or about the main article. I want to try to include that just because some people have a rough time writing at times, or it may just be entertaining and it's something you would like to learn, and it's definitely something that students do really well with at times, especially when they're struggling with their writing. It can actually lead to a writing assignment by posting a video. This is the home button. It brings you back to the main page. You can also click up here to go back to the main page. You can click on Cohort 7 Calendar to find out the calendar of events, and I will try to keep it updated with the homework assignments. Here you can find the how-to videos about how to use the website and other things we're doing during the class. I will try to keep these as up-to-date as possible, however, I sometimes run out of time. Resources Technology course includes all the information that David Christmas has been sharing with us. He may eventually include other pages, but at the current time this includes all the information he shared with us, including our syllabus, implementing new technology, using blogs to promote authentic learning in the classroom, classroom blogs and wikis. If anybody has any interest in learning how to use RSS feeds, please let me know. Any videos you would like to see, please come down, leave a comment on the how-to videos section, this page. Leave a comment about what you would like to see me record and share with everyone. So that should be all for now. I will talk to you all later.